Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! Last week, I featured the recipe of Ube Halaya, and as I promised before, by the way, next time I'm gonna make Ube Tupig. But of course, I need to make first Halaya, okay?
What is halaya?
Halaya is a purple yam. Ube Tupig is another variation of tupig with a purple yam flavor. Tupig is a Filipino rice cake originating in northern part of the Philippines and also known as intemtem or grilled cook. For the ingredients, 500 gram or 4.5 cup of glutinous rice flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 can of coconut cream, half can of ube condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of melted margarine or butter, few drops of purple yam extract, and 1.5 cup of young grated coconut meat. Leftover ube halaya and banana leaves, cut, heated to be pliable, and clean. Let's start by putting the salt to the bowl of glutinous rice flour. Then mix the ube condensed milk and coconut cream in a separate bowl. Then gradually add the salt and glutinous rice flour mixtures to the condensed milk and coconut cream mixture and mix. Then add the melted margarine or butter. Then put the grated young coconut meat, and I also added half cup or 100 gram of glutinous rice flour to the mixture. Then add half can of coconut cream, then mix thoroughly until well blended. Get a piece of prepared banana leaves, spread an oil all over the leaves, then scoop 2 heaping spoons of glutinous rice flour mixture and a teaspoon of ube halaya. Then wrap. Do this with all the mixtures. I make 20 pieces of Ube Topi. Heat first the grill pan or frying pan before putting your topi. I'm showing the cooked tupig. It's easy to make this rice cake. Just flip most of the time to prevent from burning on one side. Our guest taster for the week is my friend Ate Ning Wagner.
Okay. Ano tawag nito, Bi?
Ube Tupig.
Ube Tupig. Let me taste how it is. If it is good or not. The ube. Ube. Yummy, Bi.
Okay, thank you, Ate. Do you want to greet anybody?
Hi, guys. Hi. She's a good cook. And look at this. How juicy is it? How soft is it? Sarap. Yummy.